Ketogenic diet has become very popular when we talk about weight loss. So if you're one of those people who would like to try the ketogenic diet or simply keto diet but don't know how to start or where to begin, you've come to the right place. We will show you the list of the foods that you should include and exclude so you can easily start your own keto diet plan. But before we jump into the top 10 best keto diet foods, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment "I subscribe" down below, and we'll personally respond to you. On the first part of our video, we will focus solely on the list of foods that you must include to your keto diet, as they are not just keto-friendly but definitely healthy. But first, what is ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that offers many health benefits. Studies have found that this very low-carb, high-fat diet is effective for weight loss, diabetes, and epilepsy, and shows some early evidence that it may be beneficial for some cancers, Alzheimer's disease, and other diseases too. Keto diet involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intakes and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When this happens, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. Ketogenic diets can cause massive reduction in blood sugar and insulin levels. This, along with the increased ketones, has numerous health benefits. Though for beginners, it may be very hard and challenging at first, especially when you have to do changes on your lifestyle and diet plan. There will also some new things and routines that you have to learn and old habits to unlearn, especially to your food intakes. But you don't have to worry too much about this, because once you get used to this, you'll definitely be surprised that you can still be able to enjoy the foods you love if you just learn how to make them keto-friendly by eating the right amount of those foods. Trust me, you'll love the results. Now, to begin, here's the list of healthy foods that you should be including to your keto diet. Fish and shellfish are very keto-friendly foods. Salmon and other fish are rich in B vitamins and potassium, yet virtually carb-free. While shrimp and most crabs contains no carbs, other types of shellfish do, like clams, mussels, and octopus. And the carbs from different types of shellfish vary. The shellfish can still be included in a ketogenic diet. However, it is important to account for these carbs when you're trying to stay within a narrow range. Aim to consume at least 2 servings of seafood weekly. Meat and poultry are considered staple foods on a ketogenic diet. Fresh meat and poultry contain no carbs and are rich in B vitamins and several minerals like potassium, zinc, and a great source of high-quality protein, which has been shown to help preserve muscle mass during a very low-carb diet. If possible, grass-fed meat is the healthiest choice. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, and spinach are low in calories and carbs but high in many nutrients, including vitamin C and several minerals. Most vegetables contain very few net carbs. However, consuming one serving of starchy vegetables like potatoes, yam, or beets could put you over your entire carb limit for the day. Cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower have been linked to decreased cancer and heart disease risk. Low-carb veggies make great substitutes for higher-carb foods. For example, cauliflower can be used to mimic rice or mashed potatoes. Cheese is both nutritious and delicious. There are hundreds of types of cheese. Fortunately, all of them are very low in carbs and high in fat, which makes them a great fit for a ketogenic diet. Cheese is rich in protein, calcium, and beneficial fatty acids, yet contains a minimal amount of carbs. Eating the right amount of cheese regularly may help reduce the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with aging. Butter and cream are good fats to include in a ketogenic diet. For many years, butter and cream were believed to cause or contribute to heart disease due to their high saturated fat contents. However, several large studies have shown that for most people, saturated fat isn't linked to heart disease. Some studies suggest that a moderate consumption of high-fat dairy may possibly reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Butter and cream are nearly carb-free and appear to have neutral or beneficial effects on heart health when consumed in moderation. Avocados are incredibly healthy. Avocados are high in several vitamins and minerals, including potassium, an important mineral many people may not get enough of. Avocados contain 2 grams of net carbs per serving and are high in fiber and several nutrients. Eggs are one of the healthiest and most versatile foods on the planet. High in protein and low in carbs. It contains essential vitamins and minerals as well as antioxidants. One large egg contains less than 1 gram of carbs and fewer than 6 grams of protein, making eggs an ideal food for a ketogenic lifestyle. You have to eat the whole egg because most of eggs' nutrients are found in yolk. Although egg yolks are high in cholesterol, consuming them doesn't raise blood cholesterol levels in most people. Instead, it may help protect with your heart and eye health. Coconut oil has unique properties that make it well suited for a ketogenic diet. It contains medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs. Unlike long-chain fats, MCTs are taken up directly by the liver and converted into ketones or used as a rapid source of energy. In addition, it may increase metabolic rate and promote the loss of weight and belly fat. Oil provides impressive benefits for your heart. It's high in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that has been found to decrease heart disease risk factors in many studies. As a pure fat source, olive oil contains no carbs. It's an ideal base for salad dressings and healthy mayonnaise. Because it is not as stable as saturated fats at high temperatures, it's best to use olive oil for low-heat cooking or add it to foods after they have been cooked. And olives provide the same health benefits as olive oil, only in solid forms. Olives are rich in antioxidants that may help protect heart and bone health. Olives vary in carb content due to their size. However, half of their carbs come from fiber, so their digestible carb content is very low. Nuts and seeds are healthy, high-fat, and low-carb foods. Frequent nut consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, certain cancers, depression, and other chronic diseases. Nuts and seeds are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and absorb fewer calories overall. Although all nuts and seeds are low in net carbs, the amount varies quite a bit among the different types. Here are some popular nuts and seeds: almonds, macadamia nuts, pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds. Most fruits are too high in carbs to include in a ketogenic diet, but berries are an exception. Berries are low in carbs and high in fiber. In fact, raspberries and blackberries contain as much fiber as digestible carbs. These tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants that have been credited with reducing inflammation and protecting against disease. Dark chocolate and cocoa are delicious sources of antioxidants. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, which may reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and keeping your arteries healthy. Surprisingly, chocolate can be part of a ketogenic diet. However, it is important to choose dark chocolate that contains a minimum of 70% cocoa solids, preferably more. You have to track what you eat and how much you should eat in a keto diet, so you can easily track your progress. It is best to check your progress every few weeks to see if your current plan is giving you the results you want. And if not, you can adjust it accordingly. You should also keep track of your macros. Those are fats, carbs, and protein, which need to be kept in careful balance to keep your body in ketosis. And in the beginning of your keto diet journey, you'll be experiencing some changes, since your body will have to adjust to your new lifestyle. You may experience some fatigue or mental fogginess first, since your body is still adjusting. This is what they call the keto flu. Though it usually lasts for a short while, it is still best to prepare yourself. Always check in with yourself to monitor the changes in your body and how you feel with keto diet. A ketogenic diet can be very effective for people who are dedicated to have a healthy lifestyle. Keto diet is really a life changer. It can be very hard at first, but the results are worth it. If you like and enjoy this video and want to hear from us again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button together with that bell button to get you notified of our new videos. Thank you for watching.